I'm finally gonna use this palette for a look and I am thrilled, over the top excited. Let me remind you how beautiful it is on the inside. Yes, yes, yes. We love it. I don't know the color scheme I'm gonna go for. I do have some inspo on Pinterest of like summer color palettes, so I may look there for some inspo. But yeah, we're just gonna jump in and get into it because I am so excited. So I haven't purchased a good eyeshadow base yet. I'm gonna use my Future Fluid concealer because I know it's creamy and it'll probably take these shadows really well. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with this. This concealer is awesome. If you haven't used it, please check it out. It is so easy to blend, so creamy. Look how effortlessly this is blending. It's absolutely stunning, beautiful. One of my favorite concealers I've ever used. I'm thinking like maybe some pinks and blues since Barbie's coming out soon. I don't know, but like look how beautiful it is. Okay, I'm gonna do this eye first and we'll do that one next. So I think I'm gonna go straight into this like bubblegum pink and start packing that in like right up here. I'm so excited. It's my first time using these eyeshadows and I have a feeling they're gonna be very pigmented. Dang. Whoa. That has a lot of freaking power and I cannot wait to use these other freaking shades. Like, that is stunning. I only went in one time and it is so pigmented. I went ahead and added some right here, but look at that freaking impact. That is stunning. Like, I literally would just leave it like that and like maybe like blend it out here and put mascara, and that is like a statement. But I want to continue to explore these shadows more, so I'm going to add more. But look how beautiful. I'm already so excited. I told my husband, I was like, I am so excited about this brand that even if the products were good, I would still support them. And the fact that this eyeshadow, oh my gosh, my cat is ruining this video, but the fact that this eyeshadow is so powerful and intense, I'm blown away and I'm so excited to try more. I want to try everything. I feel like such a geek right now. I want to hit this watermelon shade, this like outer corner, and start stamping it in. Oh my god. Freaking beautiful. Now I'm gonna go with P5 and start blending that into my brow bone. I try to clean up as much of the watermelon shade off my brush as possible. I think I'm gonna like the fact that there's a little bit left over as like a pink residue, kind of. So I'm just gonna buff that into my brow bone and start marrying this hot pink with the watermelon shade. I'm not really sure where this is going. I'm just kind of playing, but these shadows pack a freaking punch and I can't wait to use every single shade. Like, these are only the mattes. There's some really beautiful shimmers in here. This freaking blues, I'm so excited about that blue. Probably won't use it in this look, but it is very beautiful. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with O2, this one. It's kind of like a corally red, a little bit deeper than the watermelon shade, same brush. You'll find that I use the same brush for a lot of things. I just keep a paper towel handy and just kind of get the excess off. But I think I'm gonna take that like corally shade and fit it right in there. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. And the blend on these is so nice. So I finished blending out all of the harsh edges, and I think what I'm gonna do is cut my crease, add some shimmers to the lid, and I might add a bright blue to the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease with the Milk Makeup Future Fluid and use a paintbrush to get that going. I don't really know how far I want to bring it out, but far enough so that you can see these shimmers. maybe to like there. Not sure if I want to use a brush or my finger, but I think I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to go with R2. It's kind of like a silvery champagne type. Okay, that looks pretty intense. That's what it looks like when I pick it up. Dang, that is bright. Okay. My phone keeps cutting me off, but even with me wiping some off, it is still so intense. Okay, I'm gonna use a brush to be more precise, but dang, that's intense. I love it. It has like this almost foil-like finish in person. It's just so stunning. Next shade I'm gonna use is D3. Where is it? Right here. It's like the shimmery Barbie Pink. And again, I'm gonna go in with my finger. Okay, so I think this is shimmer, and the row of 2 maybe is foily. I don't know. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I never wear pinks, but this is so pretty. I feel so cute. I don't even need to go in with the brush because it just blends so well. So pretty, I love it. For the last shade, I think I'm gonna use D5, this like Tiffany, like tealy blue shade. And I'm gonna use a smaller dense brush so I can just swipe it underneath. I'm gonna go in down here and just press it in. Wow. Even for not having like primed my lower lash line, it's going on really boldly. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to do some waterline liner, mascara off camera, and finish the rest of this eye look, and I will come right back when it's all done. Oh my gosh, you guys. How cute. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. I feel so cute. I feel very like Barbie-esque kind of because of the pink, but yeah, so let me know what you think and I will see you with another look. Bye.